2, 1. And here we go. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, wherever you're connecting yourself to us from. Um, my name is Tinka, and I'm currently based in Ghana. I'm a Royal Q. I'm a Royal Q fan. I'm a trader. I love trading. Actually, I've been trading for the past 7 years. Okay, this year will make it 8 years. In the crypto sport market. Yeah, I used to trade forex and all the other trading things. Then I said no, I want to stick with the sport markets because in the sport market you don't lose your assets. The only market that you never lose your asset in the whole world, crypto sport market. Yes, no matter how the dollar value goes down, you never lose your assets that you've bought in your Binance spot wallet. Just like your supermarket, you stock your shop with the provisions, and when the dollar value of those assets in your supermarket drops, it doesn't mean the goods in your shop that you bought will also drop. Like you have a tin of Milo on the shelf, and then tomorrow the tin of Milo drop from $20 to $10 in dollar value. It doesn't mean you have lost the tin of Milo. It will still be there on the shelf. The asset will still be there. It's just the dollar value which changes every day. Every day you go to the market, prices of goods are never the same. You get me? Prices of goods always changes. Sometimes it will be higher, sometimes it will be a little lower, or even more lower if they want to run discount on festive periods. And we all experience that in our analog business. Now we are in the digital business. In the digital business, we have a place called Sport Market. Okay, we have a place called Sport Market. King Sanjo, we are on. Yeah. So, sport market. You come here, this place, sport market is a place where you buy asset and then you wait for the asset to what? Go above the price at which you bought each of them. So basically, once the price you bought it at $10 and the price gets to $11, obviously you've made a $1 profit. But when you trade it using artificial intelligence like our super duper Royal Q, you can make several $1 in this same asset you bought for $10. You get me? So the robot will sell several times, and that function, which is called the Sabine, or the sub position, it is only found in Royal Q. You can never find it on Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange doesn't have Sabine Mood real-time settlement in the spot market. You won't get it. So this makes Royal Q unique. Royal Q, when you trade in the spot market with Royal Q, you get much more compared to a manual trader. Before Royal Q, we used to trade on the spot market manually. So we will appreciate it more when we get connected to Royal Q. That's why we love it, because Royal Q does virtually 90% of the work. We just fix in our parameters, and then it will just be buying the margin call level. So the margin call levels that we've been buying in the manual trading of spot is called buy limit. We have to go and calculate the buy limit for each and every price that we want to buy at. So if the market will drop by this, we have to go to our tab trader, go and draw. Okay, when the market gets to $40,000, buy here. You have to impute the price yourself. You have to be the one to calculate your take profit trigger price. You have to go and calculate it and fix it there. Binance will not do it for you. Yes. So some people, if you don't know the worth of Royal Q doing almost every calculation for you, and you don't see how strong and powerful Royal Q is today, I want you to know by this explanation. Okay, that trading with robot or trading with the best artificial intelligence in the world, Royal Q, saves time, save cost, save energy, and gives you profitability compared to manually trading it by yourself. You got to take your book, your pen, your calculator. You have to open your trading apps to be able to draw lines to come on. It's so tiring. It's so tiring, and sometimes you will miss the big pumps because on Binance you will just put 10%, and the 10% you have to go and calculate the price to draw the line. Okay. Oh, immediately it breaks. Please let me know. Did it break now or it was now? Okay, I said a lot of things about Binance, so I have to know which particular place so I don't take too much time. Which particular place? Okay, I said the difference between trading manually on the spot market and trading with Royal Q artificial intelligence. The difference between them is that on the manual trading, which is Binance, you have to calculate your buy limit yourself. You also have to calculate each buy limit, which is called margin calls on Royal Q. In Binance, is called buy limit. Your buy limit level, if you want to buy when the market is dipping, okay, dipping. That method that method, you have to do it yourself. You have to calculate it on Binance, like your take profit trigger price. We will just put 1%. And that 1%, whether it is, let's say an asset is $10 per one asset. So 1% will be maybe 10.50 cents. On Binance, you have to go and look for that price and put it there. You have to go to your tap trader, go and draw the percentage you want. Then when you get the number, you come back to Binance and come and put that percentage inside the take profit trigger price before you can click on place order. Then the order will be keyed in. Then if you want to buy another margin level on your Binance spot, you need to go back, go and pick the price. How many percentage do you want? You want 1% or 2%? You have to go and calculate it yourself and put in your own take profit trigger price. Binance is not going to do it for you. But on Royal Q, you put your 1% there. We have about 120 margins. Once you set it, now we can set the template at the back office. Once you set it down, you just pick your coin, tap on the template, which is the strategy, either Tinker, middle Tinker, advanced Tinker. You just tap on the strategy you want. The percentage, take profit percentage has already been fixed. So Royal Q is going to calculate which price level for each and every margin level that you want take profit to be taken. Royal Q will do it for you. So when you look at our strategy summary dashboard on Royal Q on each asset, you see that Royal Q will write take profit trigger price greater than maybe $10 upward. So you see a greater than sign. We were taught greater than and equal to. So here you're going to apply what you were taught in school. Over here is money business. So you see a greater than sign, it will be close to a price. They'll write something like maybe 10 point something something, meaning you will get profit when the price of this asset you're trading goes above 10.50 cents. So that figure, Royal Q will do that for you. You don't need to go and pick your calculator to go and calculate it. You don't need to worry yourself to go and pick a price range to go and draw. What is 3%? Okay, 3% is 0.000. Then you go to your Binance, you go and put it there. Manual trading was good, but now things are evolving. Technology apps are coming in to lower the stress that we go through as traders. And Royal Q is the best artificial intelligence to use to trade your spot market. Please, did you get that? Everything was clear. I can move on to today's topic. Okay. Thank you. All right. So today I'm going to teach how to um, set up your BTC trade. It's very important that when the Lord blesses you with enough funds, you have to, it's a must. If you are on my Telegram VIP page, I'm encouraging you that it is more profitable to trade on all the three markets. Even if you don't have big money, you can start small. We have trade settings for $70, $100 capital. You can start small and build, compound the profit so that you can be able to trade the other market, which is called the BTC market and the Ethereum market. Why would you rent a robot for $120 for 12 months, 365 days, and you just trade only one market when the robot has given you three markets? So for me, I don't want the robot to like just be trading only USDT market. So I'll trade the BTC market if I get funds. I'll trade the Ethereum market alongside with it also. So that today, if the USDT market doesn't give me profit, my BTC market will give me profit. If my BTC market does not give me profit, my Ethereum market will give me profit. Obviously, one of the markets will make profit for you that day. That is for sure. Even on a low, like an average low market day, as long as you have properly set your strategy well and market moves on that day, obviously you're going to get something on any of the three markets or all the three markets. So imagine when the market booms, you see that you'll be making money in USDT market, you'll be making money in BTC market, and you'll be making money also in the Ethereum market. I've been talking about it every time in our meeting. So consider saving up money. We just started the year and we are in the second pre-bull season. Last year was the first pre-bull. I have already taught us about it. So we are changing, we are moving from one level to the other. I can't bombard you all with all the 7 levels or 4 levels. Are you getting me? I have to take it one at a time because the ones I've even taught, some of you have not even finished watching all our tutorial videos. So when I'm adding more, it becomes too much for some people. So sometimes I just give a little bit of space so some people can grasp it, so we can pull all of you along with us. Okay, so today we are going to trade the BTC market. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to trade BTC. So I said in my other tutorial video last week that if you want to trade the Bitcoin market, what do you need? Let me pull up my board. Can somebody, let me see if you have been following the class. If you want to trade BTC market, what do you need? It's an interactive class, so anybody, if you want to trade the BTC market, what do you need to trade with it? Oh, my internet is breaking again. That's why nobody is responding.
I think, let me try.
You need Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Okay. Were you hearing me or my internet was breaking? So I switched. It's an important class.
We heard you.
No, we heard you. So I said we need Bitcoin.
Very well. Thank you very much. You need Bitcoin to be able to trade on the BTC market on Royal Q. Perfect. So meaning you are following. And then the Ethereum market, obviously you need what? Ethereum to be in your wallet. So if you're using Binance, you do what? You use you buy Ethereum. So if you have USDT, you just go to market, which I've already demonstrated in our previous meeting, how to buy your BTC on your Binance with USDT. So if you have not watched that lesson, please go to save us time so we can continue with today's class. You go and watch that video and then you come up to watch this one also because we are building foundation. Okay, good. So you need BTC. So you need BTC to be able to trade the Bitcoin market. Good. Now, how do I trade the Bitcoin market? I have bought my Bitcoin. It's in my Binance. My Bitcoin is in my Binance. And for crypto thinkers, our strategy on BTC VIP on the Excel sheet at the lecture hall, that's where the Excel sheet is located. Those who don't know, you go to the lecture hall, Crypto Thinkers lecture hall. You add yourself there, go to the media section, and then you go to files. That is where you see our Crypto Thinkers Excel sheet. All the 13 strategies are lined up there. So you want to go there after the meeting and go and see where the BTC VIP strategy is. And the minimum you can start with it on the Excel sheet is $600 upwards. But if you have $300, you can trade with it. You just reduce the first buy-in amount from the 0.00. The first buy-in amount is 0.0056. But if you do not have $600, you can just use half of the capital. You just use 0.0022. Okay, so you can use this one if you have what, $300 worth of BTC. Okay, $300 worth of BTC. I hope you can see my board. Then this one is if you have 600. So $600 worth of BTC. Okay, are you with me, everybody? You are with me. Okay. You got
We
it?
can't see your screen.
I can't see the board. I can't see the board. We're not sharing your screen.
Are we seeing? That's why it's good to be responding. Okay, so here is the board. I thought I was sharing the screen, and you've been quiet all this while. You've been quiet. Okay. Okay. So that's why I keep asking. So BTC. So this is BTC. You need BTC to trade the BTC market. Everybody got it? And then I said that on the Excel sheet, the Crypto Thinkers Excel sheet, the minimum is $600 plus, okay, worth of Bitcoin. So we have 0.0056 as our first buy-in amount, okay? But if you do not have this $600, you can start with half of it, which is $300, okay? Which your first buy-in, you make it 0.00022 BTC, okay? So it will amount to about $300 if all margin calls are bought. Beautiful. You got it? So I move to the next level. You got it? Everybody got it? Okay. Let me see if I'm still here. Let me see if I can get somebody to be responding.
We got it, coach. We got it.
Okay. It's like you have got it. Let me check another person if the person could. Madam Michaelina, did you get me? Did you see the board? I want to be sure. I want to get a second feedback. Okay. That means she can't hear me. Okay, Madam Abigail, please, did you hear what I said?
Yes, well understood.
Oh, okay. Nobody was responding except Coach Smith. So I thought everybody was off. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for the thumbs up. Please, if you do understand up to this place, please let me know so that when you're watching the video, you know it has been well explained to you. Okay. Okay. So let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. So now I have my BTC. Let me clear my board. Let's go faster. Okay, so I have my BTC. I'm going to set it up. My BTC is sitting in my Binance. So what do? I go to my Royal Q. So first, you can go to our resource center. One of our resource center is CoinGecko, okay, or CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. So you just type in Bitcoin here, BTC, and then it will pop up. Then you tap on it and you see here. So since it's BTC market we are using, I'm just on that page. So you just scroll if you want to see how much your first buy-in amount is in dollars. You just come and then look for this place. You see they've written Bitcoin converter. You see that? Bitcoin converter. Okay. So first buying amount is what? Crypto Tinkers BTC first buying amount is what?
0.0056.
Okay, 0.00
0056.
How many zeros?
Additional zero.
0.000056.
Beautiful. Yes, beautiful. I see a lot of people, they impute 0. The zeros are only 3. And then once you do that, once the zeros are only 3, do you know what it means? Meaning you have to have this. You are saying you have this money as your first buy-in amount. Meanwhile, your total capital for BTC, you are using $300. And then just because of 0, see, 0 is a very powerful number. If you reduce it when it's not supposed to be reduced, or if you add it to a number when it's not supposed to be added, it can affect your trading strategy settings and also have implications on your negative implications on your capital in whole. So it's very important to critically take your time and impute the first buy-in amount of your BTC. Okay, everybody. So you see that one, somebody says 0.0056, and you're telling robots that please take $248 worth of Bitcoin in this unit, take it for my first buy. Now, if the fit call is 2, meaning it's going to take twice of this amount, and then you see that your margin call button will be switched off, and then you come and then you say your trade is not moving, you are not seeing anything happening in your Bitcoin market, and you don't want to trade the BTC. We go and check your first buying amount, and this is what you did. You just omitted 1 0 which should have been there, and that can also affect your profit making. Okay, so let's all rewatch the video again just to capture it. So here you can come here to be sure, oh, this is the current market price of 0.00056. This is what you're going to get, almost $25 for your first buy-in amount. But remember, when Bitcoin price drops, the price of this dollar will drop, but the quantity will be the same. Now, if Bitcoin price goes to $100,000, this your quantity, this same unit, which is constant, like if you have this unit in your wallet and Bitcoin hit $200,000 per coin, do you know how much money you made just because of you accumulating this unit? When Bitcoin is $200,000 per coin, you are going to get more than $1,000 for this same thing you bought when it's 24. So that's why trading BTC market is very profitable also. That's why I keep encouraging us, let's try our best to also be on the Bitcoin market so that we can be accumulating BTC unit, BTC quantities, so that if you even own like this, if by 90 days time or 6 months time in Royal Q you are trading with us, you get this, or maybe Bitcoin price you got the units like this as profit, you got 0.10 units. This the profit you get, $4,000, just because you are stacking this BTC consistently with the robot. You are not going to do anything. Just set it up and leave the robot to do the rest of the work for you. You just have to put in the date that you started trading it, and then you would adjust the strategy mode from Sabine mode real-time settlement to Sabine mode. So I'm going to teach that right away. Okay, so we are going to our Royal Q. Let me be sure that all that I said has been captured before I get to the last section of how to set up your BTC. Okay, Sanjo, am I still audible? Did everybody get it? Okay. All right, thank you. So we are moving. So this is Bitcoin market, okay? So this is Huobi. So all my Bitcoin and Ethereum, we trade it on Huobi for crypto thinkers. You can also choose to trade on both exchanges, on Binance and Huobi. You can trade some of the Bitcoin and Ethereum on Huobi. You can also trade it on Binance also, just to increase your profitability. It's allowed as long as you have capital to do that. Okay, so now we are here. The first thing we're going to do is to go and set up our BTC template at our back office. So the first thing you do after you have bought your Bitcoin into your Binance, you come to your Royal Queue to come and set your Bitcoin template at the back office. So we go here, the mine page at the bottom right corner of your screen. Good. So I tap on my mine page. Now, when you get here, the next thing you do is to tap on my strategy settings for Android users, my policy settings for iPhone users. Okay, so I'm tapping on it. Beautiful. Now, when it gets here, the next thing you do is you tap on the plus sign. But if it's your first time, you see something will be in the middle here. They've written add it now. It will be having a blue background and a white write-up, just like my Royal Q logo. You see that? So you just tap on add it now. But if you have other strategies, you want to add BTC strategies so you can trade BTC market, just come up here. Come to the top right corner. There's a plus sign there. So let's tap on it. Now, it has opened the default setting of Royal Q. Now we want to impute the Crypto Thinkers BTC VIP settings. So everything I tell us, we should start from the top to the bottom so that we don't miss any step. Okay, so that's how I do it. So the first one, we are going to do it together. Somebody is having his BTC settings. So let's go. I'm going to do it. You tap on Radical. You tap on Radical. That's what we use. And then you click on Confirm. Beautiful. Now we come to Remark, where they've written Optional. Tap on Optional. And then look at the Excel sheet. What is the title? They've written what? BTC VIP Thinker. So if you like, you can add the capital, so you know that, okay, this is 600 plus. Okay, that's how it is. Then we come down here to first buy-in amount. You look at your Excel sheet. First buy-in amount for BTC is 0.00056. See that? It's there. Then open position double switched off. AI margin switch off. Okay, AI margin switch off. You see that? For the meantime, AI margin, you switch it off. When it's time for us to use the AI margin button, I'll let us know. Okay, so AI margin switch off. Margin call limit is 14. You just check the Excel sheet. Everything has been laid there. So just look at your Excel sheet and impute it, because once you set it up, it will be at your back office for the next 1 year. Okay, then you come here, whole position take profit, everything here you change it to Crypto Thinkers strategy. So 1% for our take profit, 0.001, go here 0.001, you go here 0.001. Then immediately you are done here, you go to distributed and take profit allocation. So that's the second part. You change everything here to Crypto Thinkers 1% take profit. Okay, just change it. So when it's getting to the high bull, our first profit will be changed to a percentage. I'll drop on the VIP page. Okay, so you just glance through to make sure that everything is what, 1% all the way through. Okay, then you click on the confirm button. If you edit and you do not click on confirm, everything will go back to the default setting. So please remember to click on confirm when you're setting it up, okay? Good. Now the last but one place you go to is called the what? Margin configuration section. So we are trading BTC market, okay? We tap on it. Now we go to edit. We are going to edit the percentage first, and then we come to the multiple buy-in ratio, the number of times. So you do the left side, then you come and do the right side. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so we do here, and then we will go to the other side. So somebody will help me. Do I have someone to help me to put it in, or I should put it in? Okay. We all good? Are we still there? Sudik, am I there?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
we
you.
are here.
Please, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very well.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Okay, give me a minute. Has somebody opened the Excel sheet down? So we mentioned the numbers quickly instead of me going through the Excel sheet back. I'm back. We good?
Yes, we're good.
Okay, so let's go. So margin call number 1, we go 0.1, 0.1. I'm going to be fast, okay? 0.1. Margin call 4, 0.1. We are going to margin call 5. Margin call 5, 0.1. The margin call 6, 3.8. 3.8.